So we are on a train. These trains are high speed. I mean, we are going at, I think, 210 kilometers per hour at the moment. Stunning, beautiful layout, very comfortable. Anyway, as the landscape of the Italian countryside blurs into mesmerizing streak of golden hay fields, cypress lined ridges, and terracotta roofed villas, you realize that traveling by high speed train from Rome to Florence is just more than a commute. It really is a cinematic experience. From the comfort of your plush seat, you watch the ancient bustle of the eternal city fade away, replaced by the rolling, undulating hills of Tuscany that seem to dance past the window in a vibrant display of, I would say, Mediterranean beauty. The train glides forward with such effortless, quiet precision that the world outside feels like a living, breathing painting, inviting you to lose yourself in the dreamlike transition towards the Renaissance heart of Italy. Every curve of the track truly reveals a new vista, more breathtaking than the last, making the journey itself just as unforgettable as the magnificent art and history waiting at our next destination, which is Florence.